The key with this roundabout is your position at the start has to be maintained later. That's what everyone messes up. Yeah? Because they start on the left and then they go into the middle accidentally. Yes, remember it's a circle. You never go straight to a circle. Yeah? Always follow that shape. Okay, keep that speed up a little. Speed, I mean, what would I say? Keep straighten up your whip.
Right. I was like, wait, what?
There's you accelerating into the back of the car. Like, you told me to do it. Okay. Good. Stay back. Good. Just so you can see the tires all the time, okay? So that's very important. And a little tip, when you get to the roundabout, have your steering angled a little. That will tempt you to go in the, the correct direction, okay? Get right to the edge. Good. Angle the car a little, okay? And then work out when you can go. Good. Edge ever so slightly so you can see a little bit better as well. There you go, that's nice. Okay? And remember, you're looking at two places. For them to get blocked, a car coming from that side. Then you got to make sure that car's not coming to us. Yeah? So yeah, it's a hard bit. Ready? They're waiting? Hard. Look at the blue car. Wait. See that?
Okay,
yeah, that's what you got to look for. Yeah, that's the key. You see that and you're sorted, okay? Right, now that van's going the other way. And good. Watch the grey car. Look, look, look. That was the fault. Faster.
Okay.
Don't go slow in front of him though. Okay? So that will be a fault there, for example, okay? And that's why that's the hardest roundabout. Because there's not many chances and you have to be very patient. The car that's blocked, okay, why are they blocked? Because of someone? Are they blocking us? Then we have to wait, okay? Right. Your side a bit. And then we're going to turn right just after this island. So slow it down, just where that yellow signboard is. Good. Signal early. It's just here. It's not the second one. It's just here. Yeah, brake a bit more. Everyone falls for that. The next one's no entry anyways.
Right, yeah.
Good. There you go. Good. Look into your road. That's it. And then follow the road round to the right. Look up the road. Slow it down. Control your brake. Control your brake.
Right.
There you go. And back quickly. That's it. Also, if there's an area you don't know, come back this side straight up. Never go in fast.
Right.
Yeah, because you get, I know the area, you guys don't.
Yeah.
So you just take your time. All right. Good size of the tree. It's like your school street. And the trees are massive.
Yeah.
You used to remind me of like Narnia.
Yeah.
All right. Coming up to the end of the road, it bends around. As it bends out, turn left. Okay. And good. So ease off a bit. That's it. Slower approach. Angle sharper. More. Brake control it. And steer back quickly to angle back to yourself. That's it. And then signal. Good. Without that brake control, you wouldn't have been able to do all that good steering. So you did that really well. Well done. All right. Now it's a lot of eye contact and seeing when you got opportunities. Also, if you're too far back, people won't let you in as well. Yeah. There you go. Ta-da! Told you. Good. Turn more gas, and straighten up quicker. Turn right at the roundabout coming up. Think about position. Good. There you looked at your signal. You don't need to look at it. You know where it is. All right. Good. Angle your car. Good. All right. Let's say you do this. Go right to the tip, all the way to the edge. More and more and more. More. It's a bit like trying to jump across a ledge. You want that maximum distance there. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Ready to work it out? Had bare blockers. Who's coming in front of you? Anyone? No one, right? Yeah, this black car. Okay. Edge forward, further forwards, because you're finding it tricky to see it more. Go a bit closer. All right, now you got to work it out. Yeah, a bit more. You're even. They're gonna be going past you like that. Look at the bus. He's blocking. He's not coming here.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Makes sense. Look again. Should always check again. Third exit. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. 10 more, and then tell it when you're leaving. Good. Check left and slide. That's why that's the hardest roundabout. It's really tricky. It's busy. Okay. All right. Well done. Push more. But we'll do more of it. Shall I next lesson as well? Keep going.
What's that one called? That roundabout?
I actually don't know the name of it. The next one I know is called Spur roundabout, but that one's like where McDonald's is. Stanmore. So I call it like the Stanmore Edgeware one. Turn right at the roundabout. So it's the right second exit. Okay, it's weird. Position and signal. There were signs for Brent Cross, okay,
Yeah.
and Central London. As you bend around, we're going to follow signs for London on the ground in the middle lane.
Okay.
Okay, it's a spur roundabout. It's really important. Edge further, right to the tip. Good. That's there. Done. Okay.
Okay.
Now you work out when to
So
leave.
coming towards us.
Got a chance?
So I could have done
Yeah?
that, yeah.
Even that. Good. Stay in the middle lane. Did that really well. Stay and follow it around. Good. Good. Nice and smooth. That red car was an issue there. No lane changing. There's hatch markings. So we
Yeah.
stay in this lane and then we leave from this lane. Accelerate hard. More. And push. That's it. Look on your left mirror. There's cars there. So stay in your lane for a while.
Yeah.
Okay. When it's safe, we'll try and come back later. Push more. What's the speed limit here? 50. Yeah, keep the pace up. More. And now have a look. Mirrors, signal. And then when it's safe, good. Nicely done. Signal off. How's that? Good. Good. Keep going. Good. Keep that pace up, hit 50 a bit more, if it's safe, so accelerate more. Now what we're going to be doing shortly is we're going to be turning right at the roundabout coming up. Okay?
So do I need to go into?
So yeah, so soon you're going to start working your way. Stay straight first. See how when you went to signal there, your car drifted a little bit. So you don't really even want to think about the signal that hard. It's literally you do your checking and then flick the signal. Yeah? So have a look now. Signal. Yeah, safe. Good. One lane at a time. Make it smoother than that. Yeah? Good. Keep that pace up. Keep going faster. A bit more. Because now you're in a slightly faster sort of position lane. Yeah? Keep the pace up more. More. Good. Now look at the car behind. They want to overtake. So maybe we'll let them. Once they're gone. And then next to you as well. What are you going to do now? Signal. Yeah, good. And that will hopefully stop the car behind you from overtaking you. Good. Now when you did that, you want that bit more distance with that vehicle, yeah? Go faster. You want me doing 35. Signal off. Foot literally you hit it to the ground. Press it. Harder. Harder. There. Because now you're in a fast lane. Now you ease off a little. Make sense? Alright. Now follow the countdown markers. Braking a little at this point. Okay, we're going right, fourth exit towards Barnet and Arkley, okay? So, good. That's it, well done. So yeah, whenever you come in behind a vehicle, make sure that vehicle that passed you is a little bit further ahead, okay? Because in case they suddenly stop or do anything, it's risky.
Yeah.
Right, so this is a spiral roundabout. It will take you out itself. And we're going all the way towards that petrol station there. But I'll help you with it, so don't worry. Now it's just a matter of trying to count it as well. Alright, so green light. Do we need to worry about the right? Good. Follow the shape. Move the hands. That's it. Good. Nice. Stay in your lane. And the lane will take you out shortly. See it? Come out with it. There. Perfect. Keep the right signal on. Keep the right signal on. Good. And follow it around to right. Good. Perfect. Now we're going to try and leave. So stick to the left side. Mirrors. Signaling. Good. And smoothly round. Good. Excellent. Well done. And you can make that less aggressive in terms of smoothly coming over, yeah? But that's good, Masha. Well done.